Alright, it's been about a week. Been driving the car. Everything seems fine. I don't have any issues with it. Downshifting is great. Don't know what else to say. I will say this though. If you decide to try this on your transmission, do it at your own risk. I'm not telling you to do this. This is my vehicle. If it breaks a tranny, I mean, you know, I'm the one that made that decision. So don't come back blaming me if you try this on your car and something goes wrong. That's all I had to say. I do have good results with it. Seems really nice. Shifted good. I'm driving it right now. No issues. One thing I wanted to say was, if you do something like this, the best thing to do is probably pull the pan and get as much fluid out as you can, and then fill it back up. Maybe change the filter. I used what I had available to me at the time, which was the hand pump. Obviously, I couldn't get the hose all the way down to the pan valve body, or something was probably in the way. So I got out what I could, put some fluid in, and obviously did it again a second time just to get more of that old stuff out of there. Seems to work. Everything seems okay. I don't know at some point if I will drop the pan on this or not. We'll see. Alright, if you're new here, please subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, I want to thank you. Really appreciate your support. And don't forget, share, like, and if you can, put comments down and any constructive criticism that you might have. That'd be awesome. All right, everybody, have an awesome day. Bye-bye.